Good afternoon, everyone. Today I'm going to be talking to you about my recommendation for an IT monitoring tool that helps keep our Linux and our Windows servers running smoothly. As our organization grows, it becomes more important to catch problems early before they affect our users. And a good monitoring system lets us see what's happening in real time and alerts us right away when something is going wrong. So I looked at three popular monitoring tools and compared them based on features, cost, setup, time, and how well they would fit our needs. So let's go ahead and dive in and take a look at what I have already researched. Right here, you can see that I've compared three main monitoring tools. So the first one I want to talk about is Datadog. So Datadog is actually a cloud-based tool, which means we don't have to manage anything on our servers for it. It's actually fast and easy to set up, usually around 15 minutes or so. It also connects with hundreds of other tools and also uses AI to spot unusual behaviors early. And next, I'm going to talk about Nagios. So, Nagios is actually well known. It's been around for a long time and it's almost for about 2 decades. It usually would have to run on our servers, which would give us full control over our data. It also has thousands of plugins, and this would allow us to monitor almost anything. Lastly, we have Zappix, which is on open source and it's completely free. So it has no licensing costs. It can run on its own servers, or it also has the option to run on the cloud. It works well with very large environments and supports automatic discovery of devices as well. So, all three tools work with both Linux and Windows servers, which is something that we are trying to look into. Next, I'm going to go over the feature comparison. So, this is a little matrix. When comparing features, Datadog, as you can see, is easiest to deploy because it's a cloud based. And Nagios and Zabbix take more time. As you can see, it's a minimum of about 2 to 3 to 4 hours to do that. So Datadog, as you can also see, is a little bit more expensive, on the expensive side with a monthly subscription, whereas Nagios has a one-time licensing cost. And then, like I said before, Zabbix is actually completely free. So even though Datadog offer is a little bit more expensive, it does offer advanced AI alerts and some built-in integrations, which I think that would be pretty great for us. If we want to look at maintenance, is another big difference between all three of them. Datadog almost requires no maintenance at all, whereas Nagios and Zapax need regular updates and system management. So those are some things that we definitely want to be able to keep in mind. Um, Next on this slide, we're going to talk about the key benefits in different situations. So, for example, Datadog is best if we want to set up fast with strong alerts. It's easy to scale. It's great for modern cloud environments. Whereas Nagios works well for organizations um, that keep their data on site and also for compliance. And then Zappix is ideal for teams with tight budgets, but also have those like strong technical skills, who want kind of more of the full control. So, after reviewing all three of these, Datadog, Nagios, and Zappix, overall, my recommendation is to go with Datadog after all of my research. I think it's quick to set up, as I mentioned before. It's easy to use. It doesn't require us to manage extra infrastructure. Um, like I said before, its AI alerts help catch issues early and reduce the false alarms that could happen. Everything from its matrix, logs, alerts, it's all in one place, which is, what our IT team would need, and which also would kind of just save more time in the long run. So even though it is a little bit more costly, it would pretty much save us money in the long run by reducing the downtime that the IT team would have, and also their workload. So Datadog gives us a reliable, scalable solution that fits. So, all the information I use comes from trusted tech sources. The full references are listed here below. So, if you have any questions or anything, please feel free to reach out for me. And thanks so much for your time. And I hope you guys have a great day.